In this video, we will see how we can replace a model within a deployment. Over time, ML models can become obsolete because of drift accuracy and other reasons. Replacing the champion model within the deployment allows users to be able to start using a new model without any changes in the downstream applications. This is possible through DataRobot MLOps. With DataRobot, users have the option of either direct replacement with a new model or replacement with a challenger model after its performance has been tested for a while. Now let us see how we can replace the champion model within a deployment. Select the deployment. In the hamburger menu, select replace model. We can either upload an ML package file or we can specify the URL. Once we paste the URL, click select. DataRobot has validated and checked whether the model can be replaced with the new model. Now we can accept and replace the model. DataRobot will replace the champion model with the current model, and this deployment will start making predictions with this model. And the champion model has been replaced by the model that was specified by us. Let us now replace the champion model inside a deployment with a challenger model that has been running in the same deployment for a while. Select the deployment. Under the challengers tab, we can see our challenger model that has been running for a while now. Click this button and DataRobot will validate whether the challenger model can replace the model. And now we can accept and replace the champion model. And our challenger model has replaced the champion model to become the champion model itself. Let us now replace the champion model in a deployment using DataRobot API. We connect to the DataRobot instance. We fetch the deployment. We fetch the model that we want to replace the champion model with. We validate whether the model can replace the champion model. Once the checks have passed, we can then go ahead and replace the model. And that is how we can replace a model within a deployment.